Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about that pesky check engine light on your vehicle. How it sometimes comes on, a lot of people get upset, get worried, get concerned. It's nothing to be too concerned about. Just need to get your vehicle in and diagnosed properly. The other item we're talking about today, why the money you spend on a proper diagnosis with a qualified technician at a quality facility is the best money you will ever spend when it comes to any repair. Getting a vehicle diagnosed properly usually turns into a one-point repair versus multiple items being thrown at a vehicle. So today that's kind of what we're talking about. If the vehicle is diagnosed properly, like I said, it's usually a one-point repair. Often a sensor has failed or there's something else going on. Sometimes it can be a wiring issue. Often items that come up to be replaced can be items such as catalytic converters, but during testing we will find that it's a sensor that's reading the converter incorrectly versus a converter that's bad, which would be an extremely expensive repair. So make sure when you get a check engine light that you get your vehicle in, it's diagnosed properly, you get a quality repair, and you're on down the road. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.